morning edition of The Law and You. Back with us once again here on Eyewitness News Saturday morning. We have attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli, and they are ready to go with fresh cups of coffee. Guys, great to see you.
You guys have great coffee.
Oh, great coffee.
We make the best, and especially we get it nice and fresh for you guys.
We love it.
That's what we need Saturday morning.
All right, time to get to our question as the guys are fueled up and ready to go. And today we're talking about Becky's question here. Make that Sarah's in Shikshini. She says, I just bought my first house. We had the property surveyed. The survey showed that my neighbor's fence is 2 feet onto my property. What should I do? What should Sarah do here in Shikshini?
Sarah, this has happened to me. The house that I know, believe it or not, the house that I live in now, the fence is actually a couple feet onto my neighbor's property, and I have the greatest neighbor in the world, Parky Cunningham. He's the best. We worked it out. We have there's an easement, so just approach your neighbor immediately. Once the survey is done, there's no need for it to blow up the deal or anything of that nature. It can be accomplished by a simple easement, which we were able to do when I bought my house. But that's the best approach to take on this.
And you'll be surprised. It's a very, very common thing that people buy a house, then all of a sudden they move to get a survey. They want to know where everything's at, and they encounter this problem. So a couple things. Obviously, if the fence is on your property, you have every right to reclaim your property and make them take the fence down. Obviously, if you can agree and have them do that, they can move the fence. It's not your cost. It's not your obligation. Conversely, if it's not affecting anything and you guys can work out some sort of agreement, that's fine too. It's been like that for probably a long period of time. But that's something, again, if you start feeling any pushback from anybody, pick up the phone, call a lawyer, and work through the process.
Yeah, you're going to need a lawyer anyways, because even if you're able to work it out, you're still going to need an easement done, which is a specific legal document. So you want to make sure you pick up the phone and call a lawyer.
It's always a theme. You need lawyers.
Yeah, you do need. Yeah.
Well, see, the issue was in Ed's case. I think when you had that beard going, you needed that extra 2 feet.
I did.
In and out of the house.
Yeah.
So
Amazing.
Understandable.
Amazing.
All right, our viewers that need your legal advice, how can they reach you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or follow us on Facebook or Twitter, Instagram, I think Google+, all of the above. If you go to our website, it has them all, and you can put a question on any of them, and we'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Maybe see some of those retro pictures of you with
the beard. I could grow it in
2
a day.
days.
So.
Oh, all right. Well, maybe have you do it again here before winter ends. Don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Felleman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you Monday.
Thank you.
See you.
And don't forget, we have questions that we'll take from you at PAHomepage.com and, of course, the Law and You hotline.